I'm at, so 100 bucks in, 248. I'm gonna play this down to 200. Oh, that would have been a nice bonus. We got 3 more spins. Cashing out at 204.60. Alright guys, I just put 100 bucks in here. Second spin bonus. Dime Denon, 250. Bet. Dragon Link. Finally got the Holden spin, but they're small numbers. Love one of those progressives. Any one of those progressives. That was loud. The good news is I got this spin, this feature 2 spins later, but I haven't been getting anything on them. I've been getting all dead spins. Hopefully I can get a chip or a Holden spin. See, 3 dead spins already, just like the other 2. 4 dead spins. 5 dead spins. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's 50 bucks. Nice. Needed that. Look at that. I got saved. I can cash out. Come on, give me a progressive. Make my morning. Another 25 bucks. I'll take it. All right. Nice. Over 100 bucks. You know I love that. Sweet. Another 12 bucks. 12.50. Last chance. Alright. I'm not complaining. Certainly helps. Alright. Last spin. I got 142.50 on that one, bringing me to 217.70. I'm just gonna play this down to 200, and then I would have doubled my money on this. It'd be amazing to get one more bonus. Oh, freaks! Got 2 more spins. Oh, dolphin! Shoot. One more. Dolphin, dolphin. Shoot. All right, 100 bucks in, cashing out at $200.70. All right, guys, I moved over. I put 100 bucks in to Lightning Link, and I got the 4 dolphin trigger on dime denominations, betting 250. Let's hope I can get some good. Nice Holden spin. Come on, give me that chip. Chip. So far, dead spins. Yep, all dead spins. Wow, that was bad. I got it again pretty quickly. Hopefully I can get something this time. Last time was a bunch of dead spins, so look at that chip. I'm gonna put a nice chip. Chip or the mermaid? Nines. Two more spins. Hopefully I can get a hold and spin. Nice chip. Nice major jackpot. Chip. Chip. Darn it. $25.50. Alright guys, I have $40 in here. I just got here. Betting $2.50 on dime denominations. My second spin I got the bonus. So hopefully I can take the hold and spin. Do not want the 6 free games. Alright, 15 at 100, that's not bad. 15 at 100 is not bad. Remember, I just put 40 bucks in and I got the spin, the bonus 2 spins later. Hopefully I can get a hold and spin bonus with one of these progressives. And that would make my night. But still not bad. $38.50 on that one. Got 4 more spins to go. Almost a re-trigger. 2 left. You know I'm happy. I'm already at over 100, so 2 spins in. Alright, let's end it on a good note. Real nice big one. No. Alright, $115.50, not bad. 40 bucks in. Cashing out at $150.50.
I just put in 100 bucks in Panda Magic. Panda Magic, right?
Panda Magic.
Yeah.
I think it's
Dragon Magic. And I just got the bonus. I'm betting $3 on the 2-cent denomination, and I got 2 minis to start. They're 20 bucks each. And so Carla, Vegas 11 Aussie, this one's for you. I want some of these. You seem to do this, and that's good luck. So So here we go. We're starting the feed now. Come on, balls. Give me some green balls, some blue balls. I'll take blue balls.
Yeah, blue balls on this cigarette is $100.
I know, right? I'll take a couple of blue balls. Come on. I need something to stick. Come on. Come on. I need something to stick.
Right here.
Yeah. Come on. I saw that blue ball.
Yeah, it blue ball went by a few times.
All right. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Give me a colored ball. Give me a colored ball.
Yeah, any color.
Any color I will take. I'll even take the mini again. Come on, stick, yes. You know it would be awesome if I got all 15. That would be nice. Nice.
It could happen.
I know.
It happened here before.
Have you? I've never.
Come on, one at a time.
Come on, stick. Stick it. Stick it.
Last spin saves.
Oh.
This is still going to be a really good bonus.
Not bad. Nice. Oh, I'm going to break 100. 115. Not bad. On that note, I'm going to do 3 backup spins. See if I can get something more on Panda Magic. Come on, free spins. Free. Oh! I think it was right there too. Alright, I got one more spin. Come on, do it. Alright, on that note, one more and then that's it. Shoot, I thought I was going to get it. Alright, 100 bucks in, cash out at 169.82.